Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Yesterday I made this spear, and I'll put a link to the video of that video on the bottom of this video so you could watch it. But then I thought it'd be pretty neat to put the spear inside of another ball with holes in it. And it's pretty cool. There's probably several ways you could do it. I'm going to take an ellipse. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to draw another ellipse. I'm actually going to I'm going to use an ellipse. Because we're going to kind of make it, I'm trying to make it where like it tapers off. So we're going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, select them both and hit T like in Tom. Our nudge factor we'll set it on 1 inch. We'll nudge this down 1 inch. And then if you have newer versions of Corel, there's a tool called the perspective. So with this perspective tool, you can kind of do things with it to make it look like it's real. And all you have to do is just kind of keep hitting off. I don't want that one, I want this one. And then you can move these nodes in, and it kind of makes it look like it's narrower at the back, like you're looking at it. Maybe not that big a deal. You could have drawn an oval. We're going to bring in indexing lines, and we're going to Control D and make a duplicate, and we're going to double click on the X and then move the rotation to the center, and we're going to rotate it 120 degrees and then Control D, and you've got that right there. Maybe not big enough, but for the video it's pretty good. We're going to take this Smart Fill tool. Let's go ahead and go with, let's make it a light gray. Let's take away the outline, select everything and right click no outline. Now, I've already done a spear like that, but I'm going to do another one. Not quite as big. Let's make it a little bit darker. Take away the outline. Get the interactive fill tool. Go up here to elliptical and then put this in the center. Put that right. I'm having a little bit of trouble. That kind of makes it look, well, it's not enough for me. Let's make it a little bit brighter. And you can always, like in anything, you can add a little gray like that, play around with it. And then hit P and put it in the center of the page. And just go to Object, Order, Back a Page. I don't like it. Maybe if we add an outline, it'll look better. Maybe not. If I should have made the holes bigger, but you get the idea, and you could have a lot of holes. And so all I did in the with the one I made yesterday, it's already at the back of the page. So it looks pretty good. I mean, it looks like there's a ball inside of another ball with holes. Really, you could do something with like a wiffle ball type effect with more holes and maybe get a better perspective. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.